Goodbye.
Hold it on.
Okay.
Goodbye, music channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I don't feel like myself. Like, I do not feel like myself. I am trying a new lip. I'm always wearing like grayish, brownish nudes. And today I'm trying a pink lip. I don't know how I feel. You guys let me know. I feel like it's washing me out. I don't know. Anyways, it is October 1st and I cannot believe the year is pretty much over. Like, literally, it's October, November, December, and then we're in January. Like, I can't believe. I'm actually happy the year is almost over because this year has been, I need it to be over already, all right? But anyway, so it's October 1st, like I said, and that means that we have some favorites. So all of the products in here are stuff that I absolutely ride or die for this month, and some of them are new discoveries, some of them are things that I have like rediscovered in my collection. So yes, there are some goodies in here. If you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this favorites. I'm really not feeling like my lip right now. I don't know. Okay, so I want to start off with something that my little sister got me for my birthday. She was so cute. I don't know if I spoke about this last month. I don't think I did. And if I did, I'm very sorry. But she said she went into Sephora and said to the girl, what do I get for somebody that has literally everything? So they recommended this pharmacy kit to her. So in the kit, you get a night serum, then you get the Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Cream, and then the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. So I am obsessed with the two of these. I love them so much. I love that this is a BHA toner and that it's safe to use morning and night. And obviously if you use it in the morning, you have to follow up with SPF. You should always be following up your skincare in the morning with SPF no matter what. Sunny, snowy, rainy, whatever, you always need to be wearing SPF. But I love that you can use it daily. This is so good. It really cleans out my pores, doesn't overly dry me out, and it really exfoliates like any dead skin that I have on my face, and I love it so much. And then this is probably one of the best moisturizers ever. I know that come the winter time, this will be my saving grace when it comes to my skin because it's so thick and hydrating, and it has a little bit of a honey smell to it. The smell I can honestly do without, but it disappears in like 2 seconds. It's really not even there for that long. But this cream is so good. If you are a dry girl and you need a good thick moisturizer, or you just like to be really hydrated, you need this because a little goes such a long way and it leaves your skin feeling so good. I love using it at night because when I wake up in the morning, I still feel it on my skin, so I know that it's doing its job. I'm obsessed with this. You guys need to check this out. I do not know why I have slept on Farmacy for so long because clearly I am loving this stuff. So sticking with skincare, this is my new holy grail eye cream. This is new from Glow Recipe. It's their Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So this is supposed to brighten your under eyes and get rid of puffiness. I have been using it for about 3 weeks and I love it. I have noticed a little bit of a difference, nothing like crazy. Like my dark circles are definitely not gone, but they are definitely brighter. I like using it a lot at night. I don't use it during the day because it is thick and I feel like if I put concealer over it, it will just crease. I'm not a big eye cream girl for during the day. I really only do my eye creams at night, and this one has taken the place of every single eye cream that I have. Like I try to alternate every now and then with another eye cream, like my skin one or my, I forget the other brand that I really like. Oh my God. I forget the other brand, but I have 2 other eye creams that I really, really enjoy, but this one has just been the one that I cannot stop using. It is so good. If you suffer from darkness or puffiness and you want something to help you, check this out. Like I said, it's not something that is going to like make my dark circles totally go away, but it's definitely brightened them a little bit. Obviously, if I get like really not good sleep one night, my dark circles are definitely more pronounced, but I have noticed a difference in them. So I'm going to give the credit to this and say that it's this, and I am really, really enjoying it. Up next, I want to talk about this brand and this scent in particular. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw me post about this the other night. This is the brand Be Loved. It's called, well, it's actually the brand Love, Beauty, and Planet, but I think it's called Be Loved. Like I think it's like a extension of them. I'm not 100% sure, but I am obsessed with this brand and I'm obsessed with this scent. This is the scent Cherry Blossom and Tea Rose. This is the bath gel, and then this is the hand soap. I really love their, not hand soap, their hand cream. I really love this. I have one in my purse, one in my car, and one on my vanity because it is one of my favorite hand creams. And this scent, you guys, I actually pulled this out of my empties bag to share it with you guys. Smells amazing. I have the matching hand soaps too. Like, I am ride or die for this scent. I think that I use it so much that I'm really not able to smell it anymore. Like, sometimes I wash my hands and I'm like, where is it? I don't smell it. I think it's just because I'm so used to using it. I really just love this brand overall because it's organic, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's good for the planet. Like, they don't use any type of harsh chemicals, anything like that. So I really love when I can find a brand like this that is more on like the healthier side and the less harming to us and to the environment, because I really like latch onto these types of brands and like just obsess over them. So if you guys have a Target near you, I'm sure you do, go to Target, check out this brand, and check out this scent. It is so good. I love it. Love Beauty and Planet. If you want to sponsor me, let me know because your stuff is fucking amazing. Okay, sticking with like body care, I don't know if I've spoken about this specific deodorant. I've mentioned the Secret aluminum free spray deodorant before on my channel, but I don't know if I mentioned this scent. So this is the Secret aluminum free dry spray lavender and hemp seed deodorant. This is the only deodorant that I use. This is the only one that I have been able to find that literally, like, I can smell it throughout the day. Like, there's other ones that will keep me like smelling good, but this one will not only keep me from like smelling, but I'll be able to smell it throughout the day. This scent is so amazing. Oh my God, I'm literally just gonna put some more on right now because it's so good. And my Target is always sold, whatever, I'll get that later. My Target is always sold out of this scent and like the aluminum free spray. So I went on Target's app and I bought like 4 backups because I was like, I cannot go without this. I cannot live without this deodorant. It is the only one that I trust to keep me like smelling good, and I love it because it doesn't have a white residue. Like, I can literally spray it, put on a black shirt, and there will be no deodorant on my shirt, and it's amazing. Go on Target's app or go to your Target, see if you can find it. Again, it's the lavender and hemp seed dry deodorant spray. It's freaking amazing. With smelling good, I was in Victoria's Secrets a few weeks ago and I was buying a push-up bra, and then I found myself over in the perfume department. Like, I don't know, guys. I can't help myself, okay? This is new. This is the Tease perfume, but in the scent Sugar Fleur, okay? This smells so good, you guys. It's a little bit on the pricier side. I think it was like $60 for this perfume, but first of all, the packaging is adorable, and this scent lasts all day. Whenever I wear it, like especially to work, I'll just get like a whiff of it throughout the day, and I'm like, oh my God, I cannot believe this perfume is still lasting, because I haven't had the best luck when it comes to Victoria's Secret perfumes. They don't always last a super long time for some reason, but this one does, and I am loving it. They have another one, I think in a red bottle. Definitely go check out that one because I smelled it the other day and it smells amazing. I do want to pick up the original Tease because they changed the bottles finally. I don't know if you guys remember, but the Tease bottle used to be that little like thingy, and it just used to not spray that good. I don't know how to describe it. It was like an old-fashioned perfume bottle is how they had it designed, but now it comes in this bottle, which is so much easier to use. So I think I'm gonna go to Victoria's Secret and buy the original Tease because I love it so much. But this one is amazing. Again, it's Sugar Fleur. Definitely check it out because it smells so good. So now we're getting into like the makeup side of this favorites, okay? I quickly want to talk about this Lash Glue. This is from the brand what is it? I think Duo. Oh yeah, duh. From Duo. This is their Active Duo Black Adhesive Lash Glue. So this is supposed to withstand like through water, through sweat, through wind, through just like everything. It's what I used today to apply my lashes, and I actually went and did somebody's makeup like a few weeks ago, and I used this for her lashes, and what I mean, it was so easy to apply. I just like popped it on. Well, one of them was really easy. The other one kind of gave me a hard time, but the first one just like went on perfectly. And I love black lash glues because you can't see the band. You know how sometimes you apply lashes and you can see the band or you can see the glue? This conceals it, and I love it. Right now I'm wearing the Ardell Wispies, and I just literally popped them on, and 1, 2, 3, it was so quick and painless. And I love this also because it doesn't burn my eyes. I have such sensitive eyes and such bad experiences with lash glues burning my eyes. This one does not, and it's so easy to apply lashes. So if you want a good, affordable, reliable, non-irritating lash glue, go to Ulta and pick up the Active Duo one. It is so good. Remember when I said I rediscovered some things? So I was cleaning out my makeup about a week and a half ago, and I came across this. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in the shade Light Medium. Now, when this first came out, I was like, all right, there's really nothing special about this. And there's really, like, this isn't anything that's, like, groundbreaking. In my opinion, it's just a cream bronzer. Like, it's a cream bronzer that warms up your face and maybe blurs it. But the way that it sculpts my face, I know it's not meant to be, like, a cream contour. But when I used it, like, a week and a half ago, and I had it on my face at work, I was like, what is going on? My face looked so chiseled and just so like snatched. I was like, holy shit, I need to use this more often. So I used it every single day for like a week and a half straight and fell in love with this. I don't like the powder that is supposed to go with this. It's just a bunch of glitter in there. I really just don't think it's worth it. Whatever, I don't know why I never returned it. But this, I really do enjoy. If you guys can get your hands on it, again, it's from Makeup by Mario. It's his Transforming Skin Enhancer in the shade Light Medium. I do think it's really easy to work with. It can get a little muddy on you, so you definitely do not need a lot of it, because if you use too much, you'll have to like blend it out with your beauty blender and make it not look as muddy. But I really enjoy this. If you want something that's just quick and gonna warm up your face and give you a little bit of chisel, definitely check this out because it is so good. Okay, so up next, this I never thought that I would like. I never thought I would try a new brow pencil. This is from Patrick Ta, and this is his Major Brow Defying Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I definitely think I need a lighter shade than this, but it is the brow product that I used today on my brows, and this literally is the easiest tool ever. I thought the ColourPop one that I had been using for years was easy. No, this you literally just go, like no pressure, and it applies. Like, it's so easy to use. When I first tried it, I was like, hold up, this is really freaking easy to use. So definitely check this out if you want to splurge on a brow product. This is so good, and I do feel like it may last you a long time because a little goes such a long way. So keep that in mind when you're using it, because it's very easy to like go overboard with it. You definitely don't want to have like Sharpie brows like this is in 2016. I mean, if that's your thing, that's your thing. Nothing against it, but if you want something that's going to give you a very effortless, easy brow, check this out. It is so good. All right, so the standout product of the month is from HAUS Labs. This is the brand new Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. It's the foundation that I'm wearing on my skin right now. I did do a whole TikTok on it, so make sure you check that out. But this foundation, you guys, is probably my like new go-to. I'm in between the Hourglass one and this one. They're both really good. I like this one a little bit more than the Hourglass, only because it doesn't dry down as quickly as the Hourglass one does. Like this one, you can take your time blending it. The Hourglass one, you kind of got to work a little bit faster, but this one is so good. The hyper on this foundation is so real, you guys. I am literally obsessed. I am obsessed with it. Like this, if I was getting married tomorrow, I think this would be the foundation that I would use. Honestly, it's so good, and I'm so freaking obsessed with it. The powder that I tried, I did do a haul on it about 3 weeks ago. I did wind up returning the powder because it didn't work for me. I didn't like the net. I just wasn't, no, it wasn't my cup of tea. But the foundation is freaking amazing, and I love that it looks like a La Mer product. Like, doesn't this remind you of La Mer? It's so, the bottle is so luxurious. The formula is amazing. So if you guys want a good, not affordable, want a good foundation that's going to last all day, definitely check this out. It is so good. Guys, so that completes this September favorites video. I really am genuinely enjoying every single product that I mentioned to you guys. Let me know if you guys pick any of these products up. Let me know if you guys use any of these products. Leave me all of your thoughts and recommendations down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok because I post a lot on TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, so as always, I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.